But again, your comments and Diffio's comments are still relevant for other families like mine that have suffered other types of losses. Losing your home is not your only loss. Or for example, here's another one. Um, my parents managed to evacuate and drive away. Not every family that evacuated was able to take all of their cars. So in some scenarios, people lost their home and their car or multiple cars. Or maybe you couldn't take a boat with you. Maybe you had a boat in your backyard and now you lost your boat. Fire insurance is responsible for that too. Your car insurance won't help you in that. At least I don't think so. So it just depends on a different type of loss. People have different types of losses or damages or damages in fires. Fabricio says, I see. So you would need to fight the algorithm using. Yes, Fabricio, that's exactly right. And that's the whole purpose here, right? And that's why I love the simple model that ChatGPT came up with, because it's telling us 2025 data, right? Cost to build a house in California, 2025 update. Like, this is exactly what I need, right? So yes, Fabrizio, that's the point. The point is to say, you insurance company, you use X times Y, but no, I think you should have been using A times B to decide the payout. We've gone for 2 hours, guys, and I think that's about all of the emotional energy I have for this today. So I want to thank all of you for your support, for your feedback. I hope that those of you that attended for the AI side of things were also able to get something out of it, because I think that this is just really important. I want to kind of just I want to bring this back, because the whole purpose of doing this is, again, to remind companies that there are real people behind these decisions. And I'm glad that some of you that are data scientists or want to be data scientists will also remember that, because you guys are the future people of these algorithms. My parents have gone through a tough 4 months here. So, these companies that have poor leadership, they have poor risks and controls implementations. They have a fundamental misunderstanding of what algorithms do, who they affect, how they're supposed to use them, their liabilities around the algorithms. It's really disappointing. It's really disappointing. So I want to thank all of you for all your help. I am going to use these documents that we created today, and I'm going to push them forward. And I am pushing them forward with the question of, prove me wrong here. Because these are strong arguments, and I want to know why their offers to make my parents whole are so low. So I know it's a different little bit of a stream for me, but thank you so much. If you're watching this in the future because you found this because of your own loss, I hope it helps you. It's a really good time to use tools that are out there. Use tools to your advantage to help you track down this type of information, to help you take on these companies with the use of AI. So I'm going to wrap up there. Thank you all so much. I know I get followers from all over the world, and it's a dynamic world that we live in. So please, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I'll see you guys next time.